Hi, guys. This is Mr. Schaffner. Today, we're going to be discussing 3.3. I can subtract rational numbers, and we're going to be talking about question number 4. Question number 4 says the temperatures for 5 days at the North Pole are given negative 19.7, negative 28.9, negative 20.7, negative 22.4, and negative 28.8. Temperatures for the following week are expected to be 8 degrees lower every day. Answer questions A and B using the following information. So it wants to know what the high temperature and the low temperature will be next week. So I'm going to change all of these numbers to just something different. So now I've got negative 11, negative 15, negative 8, negative 23, and negative 40. Now these are all negative numbers, so they're cold. So it wants to know what the high temperature will be next week if it is 8 degrees lower than the high temperature. Well, the high temperature for this week is negative 8 because it's the closest to 0. So the high temperature is negative 8, and it's going to drop 8 degrees. So I got to take 8 degrees from it. So I'm going to add a line, change the sign. So 8 and 8 would be negative 16. So the high temperature next week would be negative 16 because it's going to be colder than it was this week. The next one wants to know what the low temperature will be. Well, the coldest temperature is negative 40. So this is my low. So I'm sitting at negative 40, and it's going to be 8 degrees cooler. So I'm going to subtract 8 from that. So I'm going to add a line, change the sign. These two now match, so it will be negative 48. So the high temperature next week is negative 16, and the low temperature is negative 48. Now that you've seen me work this problem, you go try to apply the steps to your number 4. Good luck.